AMP, AMPP Best Engineering Service and Corporate Training. Protect your assets, improve reliability, build competence by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Industrial plants, offshore platforms, pipelines, storage tanks, bridges, wind turbines, power plants, corrosion inspection, protective coating application, inspectors performing DFT measurements, and modern industrial facilities. Hello everyone, welcome to another professional knowledge session by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Today's topic is one of the most important engineering subjects affecting almost every industrial sectors across the world. AMPP Best Engineering Services and Corporate Training for Corrosion Management, Productive Coatings and Asset Integrity. If your organization operates pipelines, pressure vessels, storage tanks, offshore structures, refineries, power plants, manufacturing facilities, or infrastructure assets, then this video is for you. By the end of this session, you will understand what AMPP is, why corrosion management is essential, engineering inspection services aligned with AMPP practices, corporate training programs, inspection methods, required documentation, benefits to organizations, how URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited supports industries worldwide. Let us begin. Chapter 1, Understanding Corrosion. Corrosion is a gradual deterioration of materials due to chemical or electrochemical reactions with the surrounding environment. It affects metals every single day. Common examples include rusting of steel, pitting corrosion, crevice corrosion, galvanic corrosion, stress corrosion cracking, film corrosion, microbiologically influenced corrosion. Every year industries lose billions of dollars because of corrosion. Corrosion causes equipment failure, production loss, environmental incidents, safety hazards, increased maintenance costs, asset replacement, legal liabilities. Proper engineering inspection and corrosion management significantly reduce these risks. Next, chapter 2, what is AMPP? AMPP stands for Association for Materials Protection and Performance. It is the world's largest professional organization dedicated to corrosion control, protective coatings, material protection, asset integrity, cathodic protection, inspection, protective technologies. AMPP was formed through the merger of NAS International SSPC. Today, AMPP develops internationally recognized standards, technical practices, training programs, certifications, and best practices used worldwide. Although URGS engineering services are aligned with internationally recognized AMPP practices and industry standards, organizations should always identify the specific standards and project requirements applicable to their work. Now, chapter 3, why organizations need corrosion engineering. Industrial assets operate under extremely harsh environments. Examples include high temperatures, marine atmosphere, chemical exposure, underground installation, offshore splash zones, acidic environments, moisture, UV radiation, salt contamination. Without proper corrosion management, organizations experience unexpected shutdowns, leakage, structural failures, reduced equipment life, high maintenance expenditure. Engineering inspections help organizations detect problems before failure occur. This improves safety, reliability, productivity, asset life, compliance. Now, chapter 4, Engineering Services by URGS International. What services we provide? Let us see this. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides comprehensive engineering inspection solutions. Let us discuss each service one by one. First, protective coating inspection. Inspection during surface preparation, coating application, final acceptance. Activities include visual inspection, surface cleanliness verification, environmental monitoring, DFT measurement, holiday testing, adhesion testing. Then next is surface preparation inspection. Surface preparation determines coating life. Inspection includes blast cleanliness, surface profile, dust testing, soluble salt contamination, anchor profile, surface defects. Then third is PENT QA/QC inspection. Verification includes material approval, batch verification, mixing ratio, port life, applicable method, curing, dry film thickness, visual defects. Fourth is corrosion assessment. Engineering assessment includes visual examination, corrosion mapping, thickness measurements, remaining life estimation, risk evaluation, damage mechanisms. Fifth is coating failure investigation. Root cause analysis determines why coatings failed, environmental causes, application deficiencies, material incompatibility, surface preparation issues, operational factors. Recommendations are then provided. Sixth is coating testing. Inspection includes DFT, WFT, surface profile, environmental conditions, adhesion, holiday detection, cure testing. Seventh is cathodic protection inspection. Inspection activities, potential measurement, current measurement, rectifier inspection, anode assessment, CP performance evaluation. Eighth is pipeline inspection. Inspection covers external coatings, internal corrosion, weld condition, supports, mechanical damage, integrity assessment. Ninth, storage tank inspection. Inspection includes roof, cell, bottom, nozzles, coatings, internal corrosion. 10th, pressure vessel inspection. Activities include visual inspection, thickness measurement, corrosion assessment, welding verification, integrity evaluation. 11th, marine and offshore inspection. Inspection addresses splash zone, offshore platforms, ship structures, marine coatings, corrosion monitoring. 12th, asset integrity assessment. Objective, maintain equipment safely throughout its service life. Includes risk evaluation, remaining life, fitness for service, inspection planning, maintenance strategy. Then 13th is vendor inspection and third party inspection. Independent verification during manufacturing means here what inspection? Inspection includes material verification, fabrication inspection, dimensional inspection, coating inspection, witness testing, final release inspection. Now 14th is welding inspection and NDT coordination. Supports includes WPS verification, welder qualification review, visual inspection, NDT coordination, documentation review, final inspection. Now next is chapter 5, corporate training programs. Let us see what trainings we provide. We provide both online and on-site trainings. Competent personnel are the foundation of successful corrosion management. URGS International offers professional corporate training covering fundamentals of corrosion engineering. Here topics include electrochemistry, corrosion mechanisms, prevention methods, material selection, protective coating technology. These trainings includes coating systems, surface preparation, application methods, inspection techniques. Now surface preparation. Participants learn abrasive blasting, standards, surface profile, cleanliness verification. Then QA/QC documentation. This training covers inspection reports, test records, material certificates, quality plans, NCR management. Cathodic production. These topics include CPP principles, monitoring, testing, troubleshooting. Then next is asset integrity. Here participants learn RBI concepts, corrosion monitoring, inspection planning, maintenance optimization. Then next is inspection instruments. Here hands-on demonstration include DFT gauge, WFT gauge, surface profile gauge, dew point meter, adhesion tester, holiday detector. Customized in complete training. This training can be tailored according to industry, project, equipment, standards, employee skill levels. Now chapter 6, mandatory documentation. What are these? Effective engineering inspection requires proper documentation. Typical documents may include depending on project scope and contractual requirements. Quality management documents. Inspection and test plan ITP, quality plan, method statements, inspection procedures. Coating documents are paint specification, manufacturer technical data sheet, material safety data sheet, paint batch records. Now inspection records. What are these? Surface preparation report, environmental monitoring report, DFT report, WFT report, surface profile report, adhesion test report, holiday test report, visual inspection report. Now material documents. What are these? Mill test certificates, material traceability, calibration certificates. Welding documents are WPS, PQR, welder qualification records, NET reports. Then next is asset integrity documents. What are these? Corrosion assessment report, remaining life assessment, fitness for service evaluation where applicable, inspection recommendations. Now final documentation. What are these? Inspection release note, final inspection report, punch list, completion certificate. Proper documentation provides traceability, quality assurance, regulatory compliance, and long-term asset history. Now chapter 7. What are the industries we served? URGS serves a wide range of industries including oil and gas, petrochemical, refineries, LNG facilities, chemical plants, power generation, nuclear support services, marine and offshore, shipyards, infrastructure, water treatment, renewable energy, manufacturing, steel plants, cement plants, mining, heavy engineering. At last, chapter 8. Here, why choose URGS International? Why clients choose us? Organizations partner with URGS because of below reasons: experienced engineering professionals, independent third-party inspection, practical industrial expertise, international best practices, comprehensive documentation, flexible corporate training, reliable technical support, focus on safety, quality, and asset reliability. At last, conclusion and call to action. See, corrosion cannot be completely eliminated, but it can be effectively managed through proper engineering practices, systematic inspections, qualified personnel, and internationally recognized best practices. Whether your organization requires protective coating inspection, corrosion assessment, third-party inspection, asset integrity services, vendor inspection, cathodic protection evaluation, welding inspection, corporate training aligned with AMPP best practices, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is ready to support your projects with professional engineering expertise and practical industry solutions. If you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more engineering, inspection, QA/QC, NDT, corrosion management and asset integrity content. For engineering services, corporate training, inspections or technical consultation, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you protect your assets, improve reliability, and build engineering excellence. Stay safe, stay compliant, and see you in the next video. Thank you.